Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a PR item here from Born Pretty. They sent me over the acrylic nail kit to try. So yeah, this is the packaging here. It's purple and black. It's super cute. And it contains acrylic nail powder, acrylic nail liquid, and acrylic nail accessories. When I opened the box, I did smell some monomer, but it actually wasn't that bad. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and open the plastic here. All right, so I got the plastic off, and yeah, you do smell the monomer. Alright, so the first thing we got here is All Shine On Me acrylic kit, and this is just a, says usage manual. So it's just going to tell you how to prep your nails, how to remove your nails. There's some frequently asked questions here, and then how to use the kit, and it even shows you how to do the 3D flowers. I've never done 3D flowers. So we get some brushes here. There's 5 brushes and there's different sizes, and these definitely look like the 3D nail art brushes here. But yeah, we have 5 different sizes. So yeah, I'm gonna see, they don't have numbers on them or anything, but we'll try the biggest one and see if we're, to apply the acrylic just to try them. But they do look like they're for 3D art. Of course, we get the liquid here. Oh, what's this? Let me see, this is, okay, these are some dual forms. Dappen dish, the glass dappen dish. Okay, so we do have the monomer here, and this is a 60 ml or 2 fluid ounce. And I actually like I like that little nozzle on there. And then we get 3 powders here. Oh, here's some nail forms here. So we have here's a nail file. So yeah, it is a little bit flexible, doesn't seem very strong, but we'll go ahead and try it out. So this is the, we get the pink powder here, and this is a 30 ml 1 fluid ounce, so that's pretty good size. And then this is the white, and then we get the clear. So yeah, just your standard acrylic colors. So yeah, we'll go ahead and I'm gonna get stuff ready here, and we'll go ahead and swatch these acrylics. All right, so I'm gonna try the brush here. This is the biggest one that came in the kit. It looks like it's probably a 6 or an 8 maybe. And so yeah, so it does come with the other little seal, which is good. So I am going to go ahead and just do the clear. I've never used Born Pretty's acrylic before, so. So yeah, I mean, it is a nice, nice powder. It's not runny, it's not too stiff. I mean, the brush is okay, but I really do think it's made for nail art. But yeah, the brush, I don't know. I don't really care for the brush too much, so. All right, so I'm gonna switch to my panna brush here. I just wanna see the difference here. I mean, it picked it up, but so yeah, there's some marbling on that pink there, if you guys can see that. All right, so I got my little stirring stick here from Shein. A little better. You can still see a little, like, look, when you do that, you can see the pink. But yeah, so you get a better bead with the, yeah, look at that, look how shiny it got already. So yeah, the powder is, I like the powder. It's really nice. But yeah, like I said, the brush, you know, I don't think it's the best. I think it's more for nail art, but look at that. Look how pretty. But yeah, the pink is just a, you know, translucent pink, but I like it. All right, so the last one we have here is the white. Yeah, these are actually very nice. I really like the powders. But yeah, I really like the, look at that white. That is like a white. And some of them, like the monomers will turn them like kind of a purple or whatever. So yeah, I didn't even turn it purple or anything. Look at that, super pretty. All right. So yeah, I like the powders. I'm gonna do a little set with them, and then we'll see how they perform, you know, and actually working on the nails. So yeah, we'll be right back. All right, so I'm going to be using these tips here that I got from Amazon. Of course, the Born Pretty acrylic, and then this Marie the cat from the Aristocats, the Disney movie. I have this foil, and I've been wanting to do a set with these, so I'm going to be using those, and it's so cute. It has little strawberries on it, those pink rhinestones, this little cat charm, and this strawberry charm. All right, so I got the tips glued on here, and I just put them on with base gel because I have the peel off base coat here. So this set is actually my second set. The first set I did yesterday, or tried to do, just was not coming out right. I don't know what was going on. It was not my nail day. I just think I wasn't totally into it. I was just trying to get it done because I've had this PR for, you know, for a couple days, so I try to get stuff out as soon as I get it because I know they, you know, they want it out pretty quick. So yeah, that's why a lot of the acrylic or the monomer is gone, because I did a set yesterday and I was like, okay, trust the process, but it just was not going the way that I wanted it to. So I took them off and I said, okay, I'm taking the day off, and you know, the rest of the day, and so now I'm gonna start again. So I'm going in with the pink acrylic, and I'm gonna be just doing the nail beds on the pinky, well, all the fingers except for the ring finger. The ring finger I was gonna do just an all white nail, and it did not turn out. So I'll show that later on, talk more about that. But yeah, I'm just taking that pink, just making some nail beds. I really liked the acrylic. The acrylic was really easy to work with. I don't know, the day before when I was having problems, I was doing mostly a lot of white nails, and the white was very chalky. Like I said, I'll show that in a little bit. But yeah, today was a way better day. The set came out super cute. So yeah, you'll just see me do 2 fingers here. I'm just putting a nail bed. But yeah, the acrylic was really easy to work with, and I really enjoyed working with it for sure. So now what I'm going to do on the tips of the nails is I'm going to use the base gel, and I'm going to use those glow-in-the-dark glitters from Vettsy. The glow on those, oh my gosh, you'll see the pictures at the end, how beautiful. But yeah, I just took some base coat and put that right on the nail tip, and then I'm just scooping out the glitter, and I'm just covering the nail tip with the glitter, and then I'll go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds, and then I do go back in with a second coat. Here I'm just cleaning up kind of like the smile line. I wasn't trying to do a perfect smile line because I was going to be putting foils on them and charms and stuff. So yeah, I did the pink, and then I'm going to do the white on the index finger, and then I end up doing the same nail on the ring finger too, the white glitter. So yeah, I'm just scooping that on. Like I said, I do cure for 60 seconds, and then when it comes out, I put another coat of base coat. I didn't show that in the video, but I put another layer of base coat, and then I just coated the nails again. Oh yeah, I did show it here on the index finger. Yeah, I just went in with that second coat of base coat just to make the glitter thicker, just more opaque. And then yeah, just the same thing, you know, brushed off or tapped off the excess, kind of cleaned up the smile line, and then I just cured that for 60 seconds. And now I'm going in with the clear, and I'm going to cap all the tips, the glitter tips. And the clear was, I really liked it. I mean, it was clear. I could see the glitter, everything came out really nice. Like I said, these acrylics are very nice to work with. It wasn't setting up too fast, it wasn't too runny, like they were actually really nice to work with. So I'm glad I have, you know, some more acrylics to add to my collection. So yeah, I think I just showed 2 nails encapsulating with the clear. And then again, yeah, I'm just showing the, just clearing, putting the clear on the, that white glitter there. That glitter is real pretty. It's not like a white, it's like kind of an off-white with a lot of shimmer in it. I don't know, it's just so pretty. I'm gonna have to order more of those because they were just tiny little jars, and I want to do more sets with these because like I said, the glow, I'm gonna show it at the end, and oh, it's just so beautiful. Okay, so I didn't show the whole white nail, but the white acrylic, I was having a very hard time. It was very chalky, it was streaky. I think it's mostly made for like 3D nail art because it was getting too bulky on the nail plate. Like the apex was huge. So yeah, I ended up taking that nail off and then just putting the white, doing the pink nail bed and the white glitter. But yeah, I'm using the nail file that came with the kit, and I didn't really care for the nail file. It was really thin. The grit on it wasn't very good. I actually did a lot of filing with it, but it just wasn't crispening up the shape. So yeah, it was just, I don't know, it just wasn't very good. So I ended up going in with another file. I like the files that have the metal in the middle because they're pretty sturdy, and I just felt like I had better control, and you know, the grit was different. So this bit here I got from Not Polished. That's going to be in a haul video coming up soon. It's a 5-in-1 bit. I saw this on Sabra's Nail Empire, her channel, and oh my god, this bit is incredible. It seals the cuticle, and it also helps to take off the bulk, which I didn't take too much off with this one. I just mostly wanted it for the cuticle area, but oh, it just made it so smooth, and just, oh, I love that bit. So yeah, I'll be showing that in my haul video. And then to go around the rest of the nail and kind of smooth everything out, I've used this in a couple videos. I need to go in and look where I know I did not order it. It came in a kit, and I just can't remember what kit. I think it might have came with my Melody Susie nail drill that I got, you know, a while ago. It might have came in there, but it's a light pink, and it's a ceramic bit, and I just love it for it. It debulks really good too and leaves the surface, you know, pretty smooth. So now I'm just going in and buffing all the nails. And then I'm going to be using the foil that came with that, you know, the foil that I'm using. It has like a strawberry and a flower. I just thought it was super cute. So I'm going to be putting that on the pinky, and I'm using the 2B Glam foil glue. I showed that in my last video. I really like this. I'm starting to really like that glue. So yeah, I just put a layer of that, and then I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. And then I did leave it out of the lamp for a few seconds before I place the foil. And I'm just going in and rubbing the foil in, and I did get out of frame again. I don't know what it is with foils. I get so out of frame. But yeah, it transferred really good. That finger transferred really good. Now I'm just going to go in and take the Born Pretty top coat, and I'm just going to top coat that nail with the foil. And then on the index, I didn't show putting the foil glue on, but I'm just putting that cat, Marie the cat there, and it has a little strawberry. She has a strawberry under her there. So yeah, this one I had a little bit of trouble, mostly where the ears were. It wasn't transferring, but I just put it back on and rubbed it, and it came out okay. There was a little spot that didn't transfer perfectly at all, but it didn't look too bad. So yeah, just gonna top coat this nail, and then we cure that for 60 seconds. And then I ended up just go ahead and just top coating the rest of the nails. Yeah, that glitter is so pretty. It was really soft and pretty. And so now I'm going to go in with putting the charms on, the cat on the middle finger and the strawberry on that ring finger. And I'm going to be applying some pink rhinestones just above the charms around the cuticle on those two nails. And then on the thumb, I'm just going to be placing 3 rhinestones just in a line across the nail bed. But yeah, you guys, I did enjoy this, the acrylic kit. Like I said, the brushes I think are more for 3D nail art, which I want to start getting into practicing that, and I'll use those brushes. But yeah, the powders were great. Like I said, the white one, I wouldn't do like a full nail. I mean, I don't know, for me it was just way too chalky, but overall I like them. And I'm just using that cuticle oil. Yeah, I had no problems with the powder. They worked really good, and here's the finished set here. Yeah, I really liked them. So thank you so much, Born Pretty. I appreciate you sending this kit. And look at that glow. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. I love it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.